So here are the bales. After seeding, I've been watering them for about 20 days now, twice a day, 20 minutes per time. And as you can see here, just weeds, nothing. These are strawberry transplants that I planted. They seem to be doing pretty well. These were two of these plants, the two smallest ones, I thought were dead. Um, but I put them in there anyway, and they weren't completely dead, so they seem to be doing fairly well. They're still pretty small, but they should do something. And more bare spots. There's some radishes in there. The soil that I used had previously been used for radishes, so there was some seed in the soil, and some of that came up. This is some Swiss chard that did come up, one of the few and the proud. So I'm excited about that. I love Swiss chard. There's another one. So yeah, lots of bare soil. No more chard. Some fennel from the soil where it was used previously. We'll go to the other side here, and there's a radish that's decimated by insects. Doesn't seem to be much of a problem for most of this. There's another one. Just kind of taking you on the play-by-play here as we go through the footage. So over here is a transplant, store-bought. I know I don't have a greenhouse yet, and didn't plan ahead for that. It's really easy to transplant into the bales. Just dig in, split the bale, and shove whatever you're transplanting in down in, and cover it back up, water it in. So things do transplant really easily in here. I anticipated that would be the case. There's some kale, another one of my favorites. Got a couple of tomato plants. And as you can see, I have a lot of real estate left to work with. There's some more tomatoes, different variety. Another one, same variety. But I have a lot of real estate left here to work with, so I'm going to figure out what to do there. It's going to be a little cost prohibitive just to buy transplants. But I really think here's some mustard spinach that did sprout. So two. I had a huge bag of it too. But there it is, and yeah, I'll see what I do with it.